Hey guys, this is Peter from Sun Insurance. I think you've seen some of my videos. I do insurance and logistics. So today I came to one of my friends to wash this cargo van. It's pretty dirty. Actually, I haven't washed it for the last 3 months. So I wanted to share what I'm doing. And you guys, if you like it, uh, give me a thumbs up.
You don't really need a lot of equipment. I got like a mop type of wash here, as you can see, and a bucket is water and car wash soap. And what do you have for you today? What are you using?
This is a tire shiner. It's actually the black magic.
Okay.
Yeah, it's once you use it, it shines the tires. Like you see this one, we'll show you the end product. It's
Yeah.
a black magic.
Wow. Wow.
And then this is a mopper to reach the areas. It's similar to this one.
Same thing, just
And
different
then
design.
this one looks like you are in surgery. You are ready to go and do some surgery, but
Yeah.
this one actually you can,
Use the same thing, kind of
yeah, like
washing.
washing. And this one too is a sponge.
Mm-hmm.
That's what we are using. And then
And also we have a hand brush right there
the
just
hand
to
brush, this one,
scrub the tires and
the
the
tires
rims.
really good.
Yeah.
And then of course,
So right here we have a pressure washer. This is just a Honda GC 190 horse 190 cc, not horsepower. So yeah, that's all really.
basically that's it.
Nothing much you
Yes.
need. So I'll turn the water on and
And then get started.
get started.
All right.
All right, let's
Welcome
do
guys.
it.
That's the time lapse or what? Yeah, guys. So the last thing you kind of apply the magic, and
It's called black magic.
the
Don't
black
forget the
magic
black.
actually apply it.
Yeah, just like
Make sure
that.
you target the tires only, because if it goes inside, it might damage the brakes.
Yeah.
And kind of leave it like that. Then move to the second one. Okay, second one.
Wonderful.
No touch. Spray and run. Oh, black magic. And once you are done, just wait it to dry up.
Yeah.
And
I
that's it.
feel like my trailer needs
So I
some
think we're
black
gonna have to
magic.
close this thing.
Yeah. All right. So that's pretty much the video. You have seen us wash the van. You have seen the tools that we're using. You got to see the black magic do its thing on the wheels.
That's right.
So, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Before I close the video, what did you think?
I think it turns out very good.
Yeah, I
And
think.
if you like, what we did, give us a thumbs up.
Yeah, man, just enjoy the video, share, like, comment,
Yeah.
and I think this will be a good side hustle.
See, the van is waiting for a load.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So.
just go there and make some money. All right.
All right, guys. Thank you so much, and I
And
hope I'll see you in the next one.
bye bye.